to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, we're going to learn the Irish tap step called the Irish. If you have not watched my previous video yet on how to do taps, flaps, and shuffles, you should go do that now and then come back to this video because the Irish uses shuffles. So let's get started. So the Irish starts with a shuffle. So starting on your right foot, you're going to do that brush forward, brush back. So right foot starts brush, brush, or shuffle. Okay, you're going to go shuffle. You're going to go hop on your standing foot leg, and then you're going to step down with your right foot. And that's the whole thing right there. That's the whole Irish. So it's 4 sounds. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it's shuffle, hop, step. Okay? When you do one on the right side, you're then going to put your weight on your right foot and now switch to your left foot. Shuffle, hop, step. Again on the right. Left. Good, nicely done. Let me show you the forward facing you now. So starting on your right foot, shuffle, hop, step. Right foot starts. Nicely done, good. Usually these would move forward. So let me show you the side view of this now. So I'm going to do just a few in a row. Here we go, starting right foot again. Ready? Good, and that's the Irish. So you can also speed it up if you feel more advanced. The way you speed them up is you're just going to do a faster shuffle. So instead of shuffle, hop, step, you're going to go shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. You can hear how it gets faster. So instead of shuffle, hop, step, you're now going to go shuffle, hop, step. Good. And to the side, that should look like this. Here we go. All right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like the video by hitting that thumbs up button and subscribe so you can get more tap content. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.